It all begins here, in the heart of the pineapple fields.
They look simple, but making dried pineapple is a full high-tech operation. Come inside. You won't believe what happens next.
Today, I'll show you exactly how dried pineapple is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Check the base on these.
A little soft, reject that palate.
This uniform slicing ensures that the pineapple rings dry evenly, maintaining perfect consistency for the next stage. Every batch is controlled for ideal moisture levels.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.